Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so here I'm just putting my hair in a bun because that's what I prefer all the time, and that's what I do most of the times. So yeah. Okay, so here I'm taking my professional primer and lathering all over my face, and this is like really nice. Just blur out your pores and everything, like good stuff. And yeah, it just gives you a really good base. And then I'm taking this pro concealer from LA Girl, and it's in orange, which is for dark circles and the dark spots. So I'm just correcting everything on my face because we got everything. And yeah, and then taking that flat brush and spreading and just blending everywhere. Now taking that air spun powder, which is in translucent, and we're gonna put that all over the face. It gives you really good base. It just sets everything on your face. Now ready for the foundation? Yes, it's Maybelline foundation. You know what? I just noticed that I use a lot of Maybelline products, but they are really good actually. Like, no freaking joke. They're so good. So here I'm taking Fit Me foundation and dotting on my face and blending it in with my beauty blender. So that's all I'm doing. And we got that hair in the middle. Why? Lady, why? Use the bobby pins to just pin everything. Now, here I'm taking my Fit Me concealer in Sand Sable, okay? See, I told you, I use everything Maybelline most of the times because they're so good. So, that's the concealer underneath my eyes, on my nose, and everywhere. As you can see, I look like a ghost, but it's okay. We'll get there. Hold on. And then I'm blending everything with my flat foundation brush from BH Cosmetic, cause it's like really good foundation brush so far I have found. So yeah, just give you really good coverage. And here I'm taking my concealer one more time because I need more cover underneath my eyes, because those dark circles, honey, it's not hiding. Like, no joke, okay? It's just there. And yeah, and taking my translucent powder, and I already did that part, like setting my face, cause my camera died. So yeah, and I'm taking the same concealer, applying on my eyelid just to take out that darkness from my eyes, and then using that white color all over my lid, just like that, cause it's white color. And it's like really good base for like yellow and pink color, so that's why I use the white color. But yeah, and taking that huge fluffy brush just to blend it in my crease, like, yeah, just like that. Actually, you know what, I noticed one thing, that color matches my eyelid color. So I just noticed that, but it's okay. And I'm taking that eye primer from Urban Decay. It's a really good primer, and actually you can use the primer just as an eyeshadow too, but yeah, you can use it so many ways. And I'm taking that yellow color and lathering on my eyelid, cause we want that yellow color in our life, and you'll see what other color is coming later on. We need that, okay? And here I'm taking small blending brush and gonna use that for blend our crease. So we don't need any harsh line, just like, you know what I mean. And then taking that pink color, outer corner of my eyelid and inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna use that cause we are popping today, alright? Yes, honey, we are popping, like no joke. So here I'm taking the same fluffy brush and taking the yellow brush and packing on my lid and blending everything together and making it flawless right here. Then using that small fluffy brush and fluffing out everything. I use so many times what I'm talking, I don't know, but hey, I'm talking legit things sometimes. Not sometimes, most of the time. But here I'm taking that precision brush and taking that pink color, using to underline my lower lash line with yellow in the middle and pink on the sides. And now I'm taking that highlighter just to highlight my face. And I don't know what was the accent, but it's okay. It happens. Now just highlighting, just casually. Now taking that brow bijingi, you know what I mean, and carving my eyebrows, cause honey, it's getting that where I need to shape it. But okay, now using that my concealer and flat brush and just carving one more time because eyebrows need carving a lot. I mean, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now just taking the highlighter, putting on the underneath my eyebrows, and this bronzer, I can't tell you. I was trying to get the pigment, but it is not having that crazy pigment. So you can use this everyday kind of makeup look, but I just make it work because I just went super crazy with the bronzer. So yeah. And now I'm taking that Hoola bronzer because that one didn't work for me. So now I'm just carving my nose one more time. So carving your eyebrows, nose, and everything, it's just a hobby, I guess. Okay, girl. Now what? We just curl the eyelashes, and now I'm just putting that eyeliner, like no joke, and wing it out because it just give you the wing you want. You know what I mean. And this is my favorite blusher. I already hit the pan. I need the new one. As you can see, the packaging, it's just too much going on. Now that's my favorite not eyeliner, what I'm saying, my lip liner. This is Milani lip liner in all natural because it's the bomb. I tried all the Milani lip liner, which is great. Okay, so you should just give it a try. And now I'm taking that Too Faced melted liquid lipstick. Yeah, yes. And this is in color Pink Peony. I love this color. It's the bomb. It's like nudish peachy pink color. Now that's my favorite combo of two mascaras. One is from Maybelline and one is from L'Oreal. These two are super popular, so by the packaging, I hope so. And that's my NARS eyeliner, and this will not gonna budge and not gonna go anywhere, girl. And that's it, girl. Okay, so that's it for today, and bye.